Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to share Google Sheet to WhatsApp. So first, you just have to open your Google Chrome and then click on this icon right here beside your profile picture, and don't forget to log in your account. Now click on the drive, and here you just have to select the sheet that you want to share using WhatsApp. So let's open this one. And then after that, we'll be able to see the share button. Now click on the share button right here and then click on save. Okay, now you just have to change the access for this. So just click on anyone with the link and then you just have to copy the link and then click on done. Now go back to your WhatsApp and then open a specific conversation and then paste the link right here and then send it. Now, if this recipient will going to click on this one, he or she will be able to go and open your sheet. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.